YouTube. What's going on? What's going on? We doing this video on what is this? Next Launcher 3D. Let me pull it up for you guys real quick. Let's get into it. Next Launcher 3D Lite. Next Launcher 3D Lite. I just want to talk about it. You know, I'm new to this Next Launcher 3D Lite. I'm trying out the Lite version before I'm thinking about actually buying the Pro version. And this is it. Look at that. Look at that. This is my home screen. It's taking a second to pop up. But this is something I am really feeling. Let's get a good look at that. This is something. This reminds me of Star Trek. This, oh man, this is beautiful. Look at that. Let's just scroll. Look at that. That's nice. I really enjoy the effects of this launcher. Shots out. Big ups to the developers. This is nice. This is nice. Look at that. That is nice. Man, I can't. What can I say? This is. Look at that. Oh, man, that's beautiful. One of the things I like about this actually is I can move this at the bottom. That's nice. You see how I can move that? That's nice. And I can just put apps. That is, man, that is beautiful. I mean, it's just when you pull up, you open up your Galaxy Note and people see you messing with this and they got that plain stuff, you can tell they aren't cell phone savvy or they're not into it. It's a lot of time. Let me cut that off real fast. Okay, now let's get back into the video. This is real nice. This is. Let me show you. I can hit that, right? Bam! Look how that pops up. That is nice. Okay, that's sexy. You want to talk about sexy? This is a beautiful piece of work with features. See, features. It's about features. I'm a little sick, but it's about features. You know. So then right here, you also have. Let me get back into this because I'm getting off the topic, guys. You have your features. Okay, I can switch to the classic mode, screen settings, dock settings, app drawer, effect settings, gestures. You can do whatever you want. Let me switch to the classic mode. Switching to the classic mode. That was the 3D mode. I'm switching back to how I had it before. Let me show you guys how I had it before. I just had a lot, to be honest. I had too much going on. Look at this. This was my home screen before. Using the 3D launcher, of course. And look, I had way too much going on here. Way too much. And I know I did. But I was just, you know, messing around. Did my stuff get stuck for a minute? What happened there? Okay. I was just messing around. And basically, I mean, you got stuff moving around. Like, look at this guy. You know. It's just a whole bunch of things. I mean, that's a lot of stuff going on there. I mean, I can move this around. I mean, you can play with your home screen. I mean, it's the little things that count. I mean, talking about features. You got kids, they like this type of stuff. They want to mess with your phone. You know, they want to mess around. You go to the doctor's office, they're going to mess with these things. So it's good to have something like this just on deck. You know, the kids love it. Adults love it. I like it. You got this little clock right here. I can move this all around. You know, let me get a good look at that. Get a good look at that. I can move these things around. It's just so much going on. Many of you may say, you know what? That is way too much. I did all this stuff just to do something, you know. And look at that. That's nice. Let's get a good look at that. Look at that. That's nice. And you have so much that's going on in here. Now, that's by choice. You don't have to make yours all busy like this. You don't have to do that. I did it. See, at the bottom you can have it plain, or you can have many as you want. You know, and it's about choices. And like I said, I'm just now messing with this. I haven't really, you know, been messing with it too long. But I mean, I have to enjoy it. You got to give it up to these guys. This is beautiful. This is attractive. You know, This is attractive. Look at the little clock right there. And like I said, I can move that around. And he shoots a missile, whatever it is he does. That's nice. I mean, what more can you ask for? Hands down, this is the best launcher on the Android market, period. Google Play, this is the best. The Pro version we're talking, I believe it's $16.99. And some of you may say it's expensive, but they have so many features. You can do everything. And when I say you can do everything, I do mean you can do everything. Like I said, shouts out to the developers, man. For $16, is it worth it? Some people may say, oh, it's too expensive. Well, it may be too expensive for you. But I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. Let me go back into the 3D mode. Okay, so you can go into the 3D mode too. And this is just the free version. Next Launcher 3D Lite. Okay? This is the light version. Okay, now let's pull up my let's pull up my app drawer. Okay, now look at that. You still got the spinning stuff in the background. Okay. Did I move this the wrong way? Okay. Oh, it's taking a minute to load up. Okay, because I just put it back on 3D. Okay, here we go. Now this is nice. Let me go back home. I think my phone froze on me. Yeah, it did. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, this is beautiful. I'll just get back into the video. We had a little difficulty, but we're back on it. Here we go. Okay, this is nice. It's smooth. I like it. I like it. It's beautiful. It's attractive. You talking about marriage? I'm married to this launcher. I'm married to this launcher. I like this. You know, I'd say this is one of my wives right here. This is sexy. I mean, what more can you ask for in a marriage? Oh man, what more can you ask for? This launcher can have half of my money right here. I guarantee it right now. This is sexy. Oh, you just don't know. And look at that. Okay? This is then you have your and they have billions. Billions. I know I'm putting 10 on the 2, but they just have many of just themes. I mean, this is, oh my gosh. This is sexy. That's all I can say. This is sexy. Let me put my code in. I don't know why I did that, but this is sexy. Let me go back. Oh my gosh. I don't see how you cannot want this. This is lust. I'm lusting. See, it says I can upgrade to. Let me show you guys the proof that this is just the light version. See, upgrade to full version. Okay, this is not even the full version. Like I said, you have your settings, your gestures. You can do everything on this. I mean, it's really nothing need to say. I'm just showing you guys this is really nothing to talk about. Okay, this is what's up. This is something. This is a big deal. You want to talk about a big deal? This is a big deal. This is a big deal. You know, this is something to talk about. This is something to have. Okay? Next Launcher 3D, and this is how much it costs. $16.99. Okay? That's for the Pro version. $16.99. Then that opens up all the features, okay? That opens up all the features. Get a good look at that. Get a good look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see what I'm saying? Do you guys see what I'm saying? This is what's up. This is what's up. I don't really need to go through every piece of detail on this thing. All you guys need to see is that. And you know this is real. This is what's up. I mean, you know what? I'm recording with the HTC Evo 3D by way of choice.